એ બધી વસ્તુ જે છે ને એના બેનિફિટ્સ ની સામે, એના બેનિફિટ્સ તમે લેવા જાવ ને એની સામે એના ડિસએડવાન્ટેજીસ, એની લિમિટેશન્સ ઘણી બધી વધારે છે. હું તમને મારું તો ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન કહું કે હું યુટ્યુબની અંદર ખાલી એક લેક્ચર જોવા માટે અગર યુટ્યુબ ઓપન કરતો હોઉં ને તો એ એક લેક્ચર જોવામાં હું બીજા કેટલા એવા લેક્ચર હોય ને એને હું જોઉં, અને પછી લાસ્ટમાં એટલો બોર થઈ જાવ કે કંઈક કોમેડી વિડીયો કાઢું અને કોમેડી વિડીયો જોઉં. એટલે એક નાનો એવો ટોપિક કંઈક મારે જોવું હોય તો એના માટે કલાક દોઢ કલાકનો ટાઈમ જે છે ને હું મોબાઈલમાં આપી દઉં. ઇટ ઇઝ વન ટાઈપ ઓફ વેસ્ટ ઓફ ટાઈમ, નથિંગ એલ્સ, રાઈટ? સો ટાઈમ ઇઝ મની. આગળ જતાં તમને આ વસ્તુ ખબર પડશે કે લોકો એમ કહે છે કે 24 અવર્સ કમ, ઓછા છે એની માટે. 4-4, 5-5 કલાકની ખાલી નીંદ કરે છે, 20-20 કલાક કામ કરે છે, છતાં પણ એમ કહે છે કે ટાઈમ ઓછો છે. વાય? બિકોઝ ઓફ ટાઈમ ઇઝ અ મની. અને આપણને 1 કલાક હોમવર્ક કર્યું હોય તો આપણે થાકી જાય, તો ઘણું બધું કર્યું નહીં. એ લોકો એની ડ્યુટી કરે, આપણે આપણી ડ્યુટી કરવાની. બરાબર? સારું, ચલો. Now we are starting pie chart. Pie chart is nothing but one type of representation. These representations we are doing in a circle. Okay. If you have any data, if you have any data, and if you want to represent it in a circle, it is known as pie chart. We know that I am drawing one circle, for example. In this circle, if you want to represent any data, it is known as pie chart. For representing any data into pie chart, first of all, we have to convert the data into degree. Why? Because of in a circle, radius are different, but we know that one thing, and this one thing is in a circle we have 360 degree. How many degree we have? 360 degree, right? For example, I'm giving you a small example of pie chart. See here carefully. For example, your annual result of maths, I'm deciding. Annual result out of 100 marks, I'm deciding in which I'm writing your marks in FA1, you get 10 marks. In FA2, you get 15 marks. In SA1, you get 20 marks. Again, in FA3 exam, you get 10 marks. FA4 exam, 15 marks. And uh, in SA2 exam, you get 30 marks. Now count this 10, 15, 25, and 20, 45, 45 and 25, 70, 70 and 30, 100. Okay. It is FA1, it is FA2, it is SA1, it is FA3, it is FA4, and it is SA2. Right? Now you have this data. If you want to represent this data in a circle, it is known as pie chart. So first of all, we are converting this data into degree. Why? Because of in a circle, we have to represent any data regarding to the degree. So what is the degree of FA1, FA2, SA1, FA3, FA4 and SA2? It is our main topic. If you understand this, then you can easily represent any data in a pie chart, right? So please see here. Degree of FA1 exam. So in FA1 exam, we have 10 marks out of 100. In annual exam, total marks is 100. Out of this, out of this 100 marks, right? Out of 100, we get 10 marks in FA1 exam. Into how many degree we have? 36 degree. So we have to multiply it with 36. Now you can see we can easily cut this 0. Again we cut this 0. So we get 36 degree for example. Then in FA2 exam, we get 15 marks. So 15 out of 100. So we are dividing with 100 and we are converting this data into degrees. So we are multiplying with 360 degrees. Now you can see 1 0 will be cut. 5 2s are 15. 5 3s are 15. 2 18s are 36. 18 3s are, it is 54 degree. Now SA1 exam. In SA1 exam we get 20 marks out of 100. We are multiplying with 360 degree. 1 0 will be cut, another 0, 36 twos are 72 degree. Now you can see in FA3 exam we get again 10 marks, divide by 100 into 360 degree, we get 36 degree. Then in FA4 exam again 15 marks, divide by 100 into 360 degree. 1 0 will be cut, 5 twos are 15, 5 threes are 15, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 2 18s are 36, it means 54 degree. And now SA2 exam in which we get 30 marks out of 100 into 360 degree. So 36 threes are 108 degree. Now you can see the given marks of FA1, FA2, SA1, FA3, FA4 and SA2. We are converting into degree. Now you can see if you want to add this whole degree, for example, if we add this, you can count it 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 4, 22, and 22 plus 8, 30, right? So 30 it means it is 0 and 3 carry. Now again count 3 carry plus 3, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, 18 plus 3, 21, 21 plus 5, 26, 26 plus this 0. So it means 26. 2 carry. So 2 carry 2 carry 2 carry 2 carry 2 plus 1, 3. We get total degree as 360 degree because of we have circle of 360 degree. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So like this, first of all, we have to convert any data into degree. And if you convert this data easily, then you can represent easily. Again, I am giving you one example. See, for example, in our school, one competitive exam will be taken. In competitive exam, there are four subjects. How many subjects? Four subjects. Which four subjects? Maths, science, SS, and English. Exam of 100 marks, right? Out of 100 marks, the weightage are given here. The weightage of maths, it is 50 marks. Weightage of social, it is 25 marks. Sorry, science, it is 25 marks. And then the weightage of SS and English, we are taking like 10 and 50. Okay. So how many total marks? Total marks is 100. In the weightage of the subject, how many questions will be asked in an exam? From maths 50, from science 25, from SS 10, and from English 15 questions. So we are converting this data into pie chart, and for this, first of all, we are converting this data into degree. So weightage of maths. So here how many questions are will be asked in maths? 50 out of 100 question into 360 degree. 1 0 will be cut, 5 2s are 10, 2 180. How many degree? 180 degree. It is about maths. Then science. Then science. Science, we have 25 question out of 100 into 360 degree. We are dividing with 25 fours are 100 and 4 90s are. So we get 90 degree of science. Then SS. 10 question will be asked out of 100 into 360 degree. So we get 36 degree. And in English, 15 question will be asked from 100 with 360 degree. So 1 0 will be cut. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 2 18s are 36, and 18 3s are 54 degree. So now the weightage of math, science, SS, and English we are converting into degree. Now total this degree we get always 360 degree. Now add this and count. 0 plus 0 plus 6 plus 4, it means 10. 10 means it is 0, 1 carry. 1 carry plus 8, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 3, 21, 21 plus 5, 26. 26 means 6, 2 carry. 2 carry plus 1, 3, only 3. So count this. Whenever you add this all the degree, we get 360 degree. How many subjects are there? How many examination will be there? How many seasons are there? How many students are there? It is not depend whenever you draw a pie chart. Just you have to remember one thing: if you have only two data, three data, four data, five data, six data, or any other data, the total the sum of all the data, it will be 360 degree in a pie chart. તમારી પાસે અહીંયા 6 different exam હતી, મતલબ કે 6 ડેટા હતો, તો બી સમ કેટલો આવ્યો? 360 ડિગ્રી. તમારી પાસે અહીંયા 4 ડેટા છે, તો બી શું આવ્યું? 360 ડિગ્રી. One, I am more giving you example. For example, in our school, right? In our school, in complete year, we have 3 different season. For example, winter season, monsoon season, and summer season, right? So just if I want to ask you about the days in our school, how many winter days we have to come, in monsoon how many days we have to come, in summer how many days we have to come, and just if I want to represent this data in complete year, for example, in winter we have to come 120 days. How many days? 120 days. Then in monsoon, for example, 90 days we have to come. In the summer, how many days we have to come? For example, 150 days we have to come. Right? And total days, it is 360 days. Right? So if you want to convert this data, we have only 3 data: winter, monsoon, and summer. If you want to represent this data in pie chart, we are converting this data into degree. So how can you convert, for example, winter 120 degree out of 120 days out of 360 days into 360 degree? So 360 degree will be cut, we get 120 degree of winter. Like this, monsoon, we have 90 days to come into 360 divided by 360. 360 will be cut, we get 90 degree. And summer, 150 days upon 360 days into 360 days. 360 will be cut, we get 150 degree. Now add this 3 degree, we get 360 degree. So from these 3 examples, now you understand number of data are not important in a pie chart, but what is important? The sum of this all the data, we get 360 degree. Number of data is not depend. તમારી પાસે 6 ડેટા છે કે 4 છે કે 3 છે, ગમે તેટલા ડેટા હોય, એનું જ્યારે તમે એડિશન કરો તો એ એડિશન ઓલવેઝ તમને કેટલું મળશે? 360 degree. Are you getting my point, all of you girls?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay. Write down these 3 examples and degrees, and then after we will start 5.2. Write down fast these 3 examples.
Sir, done.
All of you done? Okay, now see exercise 5.2. Okay. Can you see question number one, 5.2 exercise?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see question number one. A survey was made to find the type of music that a certain group of young people liked in a city. Adjoining pie chart shows the finding of this survey. From this pie chart, answer the following question. If 20 people liked classical music, how many young people were surveyed? Which type of music is liked by maximum number of people? If a cassette company were to make 1000 CDs, how many of each type would they make? Okay, now you can see one pie chart is given here in which the types of music of a certain young people group liked in a city, it is given. There are lots of type of music. Out of this here, four type of music given: light music, folk music, classical music, and semi-classical music. Here, the all types given in a percentage, right? For example, light music given 40%, folk music 30%, classical music 10%, semi-classical music 20%. Now, first question, if 20 people liked classical music, how many young people were surveyed? 20 people like classical music, but we know that from pie chart, classical music liked by 10%. So it means 20%, 20 people is equal to, for classical music, we know that from pie chart, it is 10%, right? And here given that 10% is equal to 20 people are liked. So how many percentage? 100 percentage people will be surveyed. So we have to find how many people will survey. So what we have to do? We are taking cross multiplication. 100 into 20 divided by 10. One zero will be cut. We get 200 people, right? So how many people surveyed? 200 people. Now the second question, see carefully here. Which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people? You can see the maximum number of percentage. It means the maximum number of people. So maximum number of percentage, we have light music. So it means light music are maximum liked by maximum people? Clear, all of you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Maximum people like folk music. Sorry, not folk. It is light music. Okay. And third question. If cassette company were to make 1000 CDs, how many of each type would they make? Total CD is 1000, right? So it means 1000 is the total CD. Now what we have to do? We are just multiplying. For example, for folk music, we know that folk music is liked by 30%. Divide by total percentage 100 into 1000 CD. So one zero will be cut, one another zero will be cut. We get, sorry. Huh. Okay. 100 into 3. How many cassettes will produce of folk music? 300. Then second, light music. Light music liked by 40% people divide by 100 into 1000 CD. So we get one zero will be cut, one another zero will be cut. So we get 100 for the 400 cassette for light music. Then for classical music, how many percentage are like classical music? 10%. So 10 by 100 into 1000 cassette. One zero will be cut, another one zero will be cut. We get 100. And semi-classical like by 20% people divide by 100 into 1000. One zero will be cut. Now 100 twos are 200 cases. Now you can see out of 1000, 300 folk music, 400 light music, 300, sorry, 100 classical music, and 200 semi classical music. Now add this all 300 plus 400, 700 plus 100, 800 plus 200, 1000. So it means total how many cassette we have? 1000 cassette. Out of this 1000 cassette, the company should produce cassettes, number of cassettes like this. Are you getting this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, write down fast. Question number one. चलो written all of you. Hmm?
No, sir.
Write down fast.
Yes, sir.
So today we complete only one topic. How can we convert any data into degree? Okay. Now in next lecture we will represent every data into pie chart from question number 2. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now please remember this thing and practice of this. In your textbook there are lots of questions to convert any data into degree. Please try to practice it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Chalo, bye all of you.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day. Which lecture now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you. Bye.